Morning, everyone. It's Friday, the 3rd of December, and it's 8:42, and this is your pre-opening comment, which includes the jobs report. It is video number 1045. Okay, so I'm just going to say outright, I do not believe the jobs numbers and the unemployment numbers. They absolutely make no sense. Expectations for jobs were an increase of 550 to 600,000. They came in with a miserable miss, up 210,000. But the unemployment rate fell, and not insubstantially, to 4.2 from 4.5%. This just does not matter. Um, the only thing I can compare it to is you went outside to walk the dog at 10 o'clock last night and you got a sunburn. So these things just do not jibe at all. Before the jobs number, just to give you an idea, the futures were rising. At 8 o'clock, the Dow was up 29. At 8:29, it was up 68. And then after the number, after it settled down, after being up about 130, it was up about 103. NASDAQ 28 to 44 to up 100. S&P up 4, up 9, up 19. Currently, right now, up about 15. Dow up about 86. And the Nasdaq remains up about 79. And so, this is very confusing. The market doesn't know exactly what to do with it. DIDI saying that they are probably going to delist from the NYSE. This has been a colossal failure since the second day of trading after the stock came out. In June, it traded up as high as 1801. The new low this morning is 689, and the last is 7, down 80 cents or roughly 10%. What you have here also, because of the attitude of delisting and then relisting on Hong Kong, which, by the way, is not a layup. JD.com, 80 and a half, down 4. Alibaba, 119, down 3. So, this is a real problem for any of these Chinese stocks. This is why 3 months ago I stopped following the Chinese stocks in the market letter, because I just think China has too many unknowns and unknowable issues based on politics. The FTC is saying that they will sue NVDA to block the $40 billion ARM Holdings purchase from SoftBank. The stock is really not, NVIDIA not really doing much. It's down 0.7%. Chart on the screen is the oil, again higher after yesterday's big reversal. Traded as low as 62.43 yesterday, currently at the high at 68.58. High is 68.71. I do expect it to run into some trouble between 70 and 72, but I think we can see this kind of a consolidation off the last bottom as a possibility before it builds enough to get through 75 and ultimately 80. All right, folks, I'm trying to keep it short so that we get a few more views. By the way, the DocuSign continues lower after yesterday's debacle, closing at 233, trading down to 157, and currently trading 160.90, down 72.92 or 31%. There is one that is up, which is Marvell, MRVL, it's 86.5, and that's up about 15.5. Now DocuSign back below 160, 159. All right, everyone, there you go. Be careful out there. As I have shown in the Discord room, we have three kinds of markets now: bull markets, bear markets, and kangaroo markets. And clearly we're in the last.